New York has a new plan to fight COVID microclusters to help slow the spread of the virus. Red zone neighborhoods will get targeted testing and tougher enforcement on restrictions. CBS 2's Christina Fan joins us live from Rego Park, Queens with more. Good morning, Christina.
Good morning, Cindy. Governor Cuomo says the new microcluster strategy will be more precise and less disruptive than what the state has been using. He also added that it will help the state narrow in on specific blocks where COVID is surging. The New York City Sheriff's Office says this banquet hall in Ozone Park was the site of a large illegal party early Saturday. Inside, more than 215 people were found dancing and drinking, not socially distancing or wearing proper face coverings.
Every weekend, there's something going on there. People going in and out.
The owner tells CBS 2 News he rented out the hall to an individual who then hosted the party. Still, he and 3 employees are now facing multiple summonses. The party, the latest in a long list of what officials say are examples of non-compliance when it comes to coronavirus. To target problem areas like this one, Governor Cuomo has announced the state is shifting to a microcluster strategy.
We are now going to analyze it on the block by block level.
Neighborhoods considered in a red zone will get targeted testing and ramped up enforcement. The strategy will replace the state's previous plan of labeling problem areas based on region or zip code.
We actually have data that is so specific that we can't show it because it would violate privacy conditions. But we know exactly where the cases are coming from.
We opened up on September 30th and we closed this past Thursday.
Spyro Gatanis owns 2 restaurants on Queens Boulevard and Rego Park. No sooner had he started limited indoor dining, he was told to shut down his 2 establishments. He is not thrilled with the new strategy.
It's a triangular red zone. It doesn't make sense.
What's stopping someone from just going across the street with coronavirus and going to a different place? Like, that's going to stop the spread.
Meanwhile, CBS 2 asked the governor if a microcluster can apply to a single street.
It's not a zip code anymore. It's a block or a couple of blocks. How small does it get?
It gets as small as you want to make it that is operationally efficient.
And the governor says the new microcluster approach will be in place at least through this winter. Reporting live from Rego Park, Queens, Christina Fan, CBS 2 News.